I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a chat in Stream on the corner. So what you're going to want to do is obviously get OBS. Now I have everything set up. I used to have an old video. Sorry, I have the hiccups. I used to have an old video on how to use OBS, but I'll probably post a different one. Now you're going to go into Stream Elements. Now when you open it, it should ask you to sign in. So when you do it, you're gonna sign into your account or create one. You have to create one, unfortunately. And then you're gonna go into, it'll pop up this, and then click on New Overlay. Click on Start. Now you're gonna click on this. Then you're gonna click this little plus on the bottom. Click on Stream Tools, and then go onto your Streams chat. It should look like this. It's gonna be dark. Yeah. So first thing that we're gonna fix up on it is that we're going to change the width to 541. Whoa. 541 to 670. Yeah. And then this is fine. You can leave that alone and leave this alone. The rotation, you don't need to mess with that. Let the text, the size, you can do whatever. No, don't mess with that. Enable custom font. Now, you can do, if you search up a font, there's a lot that you can use. I would use Impact. This is probably the best one. But there's a bunch that you can use. A lot of people just use Impact, so I would just use Impact. Now, you're gonna change this all the way to the left corner so that it's just blank white. Now we're gonna save this. Now you're gonna add the overlay name. Just call it whatever you want. I'm gonna call mine chat. And then up here, copy overlay link. Then you're gonna add it. You're gonna go to here, this little plus, browser. Add a new browser. Get rid of this. Copy this. Now I suggest just leaving this alone. So now you have your chat. Now it'll look big, but you just leave that like that and put it right there. So what you're gonna do next is every single time you change something on here and save it, it'll put it like that on there. So if you put, so we're gonna go back and then we're gonna go to settings and then we're gonna make it custom and then it'll just look like this. Save it and it'll be clear. And I suggest moving it beforehand because you won't be able to see it. And yeah, that is how you do that. And yeah.